Hey everyone! When shooting during sunset, utilizing a wider aperture like f1.8 helps achieve that beautiful background bokeh.
Most people think realistic AI images depend only on the quality of the tool, but the truth is completely different. The real difference starts with the way you write the prompt itself. Most beginners describe the subject in a very simple way, then expect a cinematic result. But realistic images are built more like a real photography setup. The first thing you should think about is lighting. Is the scene using soft natural light? Is it golden hour? Is the light coming from a window? Or is it dramatic cinematic lighting? Then comes the lens choice. Lenses completely change the feeling of an image. A 35mm lens creates a wider cinematic atmosphere, while an 85mm lens creates a more professional portrait look with stronger facial focus. After that come the small details, things like skin texture, light reflections inside the eyes, hair movement, background depth, and even the way the character stands. All of these details are what make an image feel real instead of looking AI-generated. One of the biggest secrets is understanding the type of image you want before writing the prompt. Do you want a luxury advertisement look, a natural lifestyle photograph, or something that feels like a fashion magazine photo shoot? Once you define the purpose, the prompt starts working in a completely different way. Notice how the exact same character can appear in multiple visual styles, sometimes soft and natural, sometimes highly cinematic, and sometimes like a real movie frame. The difference is not the character. The difference is how the scene is constructed. Small details create massive differences. That's why the best prompts are not always the longest ones. They are the smartest at describing visual emotion and atmosphere. And once you truly understand lighting, lenses, composition, and realism, your AI images begin to feel almost indistinguishable from reality. That is the moment you stop being someone who simply uses AI tools and start becoming a real visual creator.